Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Wednesday, 23 October. We're sponsored by Halco Lighting, where they strive to be your first choice as a lighting technology partner. Our celebrity shout out this morning goes to Keith Bradshaw of Spears Major in London. Now, Keith received 2 awards at the IALD Enlighten Americas Conference, an award of merit and an award of excellence. And we've got an interview with him as well. Good morning, Keith. Here are the stories making news. University of Illinois researchers found that using visible light in CO2 recycling improves efficiency and selectivity, paving the way for better methods in catalyst and chemical manufacturing. We link to the story at edisonreport.com. The Cradle of Aviation Museum underwent a comprehensive lighting renovation led by Urco and Reed Burkett Lighting Design, improving energy efficiency by 88%. Lighting systems play a crucial role in grid flexibility. Advanced controls help manage power use, reduce cost, and integrate renewable energy. Read that story also at Edison Report. The 2025 Lumen Awards are now open for submissions. Designers can submit projects completed within the past 2 years, and they need to submit by 10 January. Details at designinglighting.com. The AIA has opened submissions for 12 project-based awards. This year there is a streamlined submission process with a unified form and deadline for all awards. Sales Engineering Company has appointed Derek Anderson as the new territory sales manager for New England. With 28 years of experience, he will drive growth across the region. Yesterday, the Dow was down 7, NASDAQ was up 33, and Acuity lost $7.33. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.